Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering on the Noise Colorfit Victor and charging it to at least 30%. This prevents interruptions. Next, open the Noise Fit app on your phone and enable Bluetooth so the devices can discover each other. Once done, sign in or create an account. This syncs settings and health data. Make sure to grant notification and location permissions when prompted, because pairing and call alerts require them. Now tap Add Device in the app and select Victor to initiate the connection. You should now confirm the pairing code that appears on both the watch and the app. Accept it on each device to complete connection. After pairing, customize watch faces and notification preferences so only the alerts you want appear. This reduces distraction. Then set activity goals, units, km or miles, and 12/24-hour time. Make sure to check for firmware updates in the app and install them. Updates improve sensors and stability. If syncing stalls, toggle Bluetooth and retry. You're ready to use the Victor for workouts, sleep, and health tracking. Wear it snugly above the wrist bone for reliable heart rate and SpO2 readings. Make sure to sync manually after long sessions and enable background sync in the app settings to keep continuous data flow. When you finish, charge and store it in a dry place. If something goes wrong, restart the watch first. If that fails, unpair and repair in the app or clear the app cache. This resolves most connection hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.